In this lesson, we'll take a quick look at the description meta tag. This tag isn't actually used by Google for ranking your web pages, but it's essential nonetheless because it acts as a call to action on the search results page. Here's an example of a description tag. The text after the content equals label is the description text. And here's that text shown in the search results page. So as you can see, the description text is displayed in the search results. It's used to provide the search results snippet text. At least it often is, though not always. If the page comes up in the search results based on keywords that are not found in the description tag, then the search engine may grab some text from elsewhere on the page. But it is often displayed on the search results page. So Google says that it doesn't use this tag for ranking, but it does use it for the snippet text. And other search engines may use it for ranking. So it's still an important tag, and you should most definitely use it. In some cases, it may be used for ranking, and in any case, it will be seen on the search results page, so the text can influence how many people click the link to your page. So, here are a few rules and guidelines on using the description tag. Firstly, don't make it too long. Don't create huge description tags, hundreds of characters long, stuffed with keywords. Limit them to under 200 characters. In fact, Google will truncate the description text if it's too long at around 150 or 160 characters. It won't do any harm if it's a bit longer, but you don't want to overdo it. Use keywords in the tag text, of course. If you're optimizing the page for rabbit hutches, then use those keywords in the description text. Even though it may not help with ranking, for Google anyway, search engines generally highlight the keywords that the searcher used, so it can still help attract the eye to the snippet in the search results. As with the title tag, using title case is a good thing. This description text would be easier to read if it had been in title case, as you can now see here. People don't really read search results, they scan them. So whatever you can do to make them easier to scan quickly is a good thing. In fact, another thing you can do is remove words that don't say anything. Don't write sentences. Sentences have to be read to be understood, and people aren't reading, they're scanning. So write snippets of text. Look at these two. Is there any information in the first piece of text that isn't in the second? No. All the information's there, though with less reading. And in fact, because you're using fewer words to say the same thing, you can now use your limited space to actually get more of a message in there. Think of the description tag as a sales pitch, a call to action. You're trying to encourage people to click on the link and load the page. So encourage them to do so by providing a simple message that tells them why they should click and what they'll find. Perhaps put a phone number in there to trip up the eye as the searcher scans down the page. Or maybe use a little uppercase. Of course, you won't want to overdo it. One more thing, do not use the same description tag for every page on your website. This is a common problem, but think about it. The description tag is supposed to describe the page it's on. If you use the same tag for every page, then the tag in effect has no meaning as far as the search engines are concerned. After all, your pages can't all be the same. So now you may want to spend a few minutes playing with the description tag text for your sample page. Experiment with writing in snippets rather than sentences, and with creating text that can be quickly scanned and understood and that encourages people to click.